Hey beauty. So today I just wanted to come and show you a quick video on how to take out the illusion braid method. I had got a couple questions on the video asking how in the world do I take it out. So what you want to do is you want to start by pulling your ends out of the cornrows that you crocheted in. This is why I like to crochet the ends of my hair in instead of braiding them together, because it's more easier for me to pull out. And so once you get all your ends out, start at the end, comb the braid out. Another thing that will make it easier to take this method out, I would recommend, like when you're doing your individuals in the front, don't braid them all the way down because it's faster when it comes to taking them out. Thank you to everyone who watched my video. I honestly appreciate y'all so much. So always remember, you are wonderful, you're amazing, and you're beautiful. And I will see you next time in my next video. Peace.